to find the angle between two vectors, you are able to know whether the two angles are perpendicular or it is parallel. So how to find out whether the angle are 90 degree, which is perpendicular to each other? So if it is 90 degree, the formula will be cos 90 degree equal to u dot v over magnitude u magnitude v. So we can find out that cos 90 degree is just 0. Therefore, if cos 90 degree here, the value here is 0, so we can imply that u dot v is equal to 0. So if we calculate u dot v and you get the value of 0, therefore we know that the angle between u and v are 90 degree and it is perpendicular to each other. Now, what if the angle is a parallel vector? It will be a parallel vector if the angle between u and v are in the same direction. Because if u and v are in the same direction, therefore your theta is equal to 0. So cos 0 degree is equal to u dot v over magnitude u magnitude v. We can solve that cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Therefore, we can imply that this whole formula here, u dot v over magnitude u magnitude v, this is equal to 1. Now let's see another case in parallel vector. If u and v are in the opposite direction, meaning that the angle between them here is 180 degree. So let's fill in the formula. Cos 180 degree is equal to u dot v over magnitude u magnitude v. So let's fill in cos 180 degree. This is equal to negative 1. Therefore, we can imply that u dot v over magnitude u magnitude v is equal to negative 1 if it is in opposite direction. Therefore, both of this, the same direction or opposite direction, are parallel vector. Now let's see example 32. Determine whether vectors are perpendicular, parallel, or neither. So now let's see question A. You are given v is negative 5, 0, and you are given w, this is equal to 1, 1. So in order to determine whether it is perpendicular, parallel, or neither, we need to fill in the formula of cos theta equal to v dot w over magnitude v magnitude w. So first of all, let's find v dot w. So just use dot product, negative 5 times 1 plus 0 times 1. This is equal to negative 5. Since v dot w is not equal to 0, therefore we know that v and w are not perpendicular to each other. Therefore, let's check whether it is parallel. If it is parallel, cos theta will be equal to 1 or negative 1. So let's try to fill in the formula, v dot w over magnitude v magnitude w. This is equal to negative 5 over, find the magnitude of v and find the magnitude of w. So if you solve this, this value is minus 0.707. So your right hand side is not equal to 1 or negative 1. Therefore, this is not parallel as well. Since this is not perpendicular and parallel, therefore the answer is it is neither parallel or perpendicular to each other. Now let's see question B. You are given A and C. Your A is I plus 2j. Your C is 8i minus 4j. So, first of all, let's try to fill in the formula. Now, we need to use the formula cos theta is equal to A dot C over magnitude A magnitude C. So, first of all, let's calculate A dot C using the dot product. So, A dot C is 1 times 8 plus 2 times negative 4. The answer here is equal to 0. So, since A dot C is equal to 0, therefore, straight away we can conclude that A and C are perpendicular to each other.